Alrighty guys, here we got a Kenmore Elite front load washer here. Model number 796-405-12900. And it is having a problem draining, giving us a OE code up here. We're going to put it into test mode so we can run the drain pump and see what it does. Hold these two buttons and then press the power button. Everything turns on. Press the start button. The door locked, so we know that the door lock is working. Press the start button. What that's doing right now, spinning the drum, and this is showing your RPMs. Press it again. It's going to go through spinning again, a little bit higher, and press it again for higher speed. RPMs keep going up. It's going to run backwards, counterclockwise. It's going to check it that way. Hit it again. It'll fill up with water, make sure that your inlet is working properly. So we're just going to put a little bit of water in there. And then you hit this. We'll put more water in through your, like your fabric softener and stuff like that. It's going to test all of those different settings. Hit it again. It's going to keep going through, you know, your regular soap, fabric softener, whatever else you've got going on there in your cycle. We want to get to the drain mode. This one's going to test your spinning counterclockwise. Press it again. I think this one, I don't think has a cycle. I don't remember what it said, but it doesn't have a cycle here, so there's nothing we can do on that one. Now we're kicking on the drain pump. You can hear it running, but I don't hear any water coming out. No water draining. So what that's telling me is probably, and it sounds like the drain pump's turning on, but the impeller is probably broken. So it's not able to push any water. That or something's clogged inside the drain pump. So we're going to tear it apart and see what's going on. So on this specific model, you got these two screws here, but there's also a screw right behind here that goes in this way. And in order to get to that, you have to take the top panel of the washer off, which obviously is going to be a pain in the butt. So I think I'm going to have to hire another guy. I got a friend of mine that helps me out with big jobs like this. We're going to have to take this dryer off the washer and get the panel off so we can get this off. A lot of times they make it so you can take this off without having to take the dryer off the top if it is stacked. But on this specific model, you can't do that. So we're going to have to get my buddy, come over here and get this dryer off so we can get this taken care of. Probably gonna have to just replace the drain pump. I'm sure the impeller's broken on it. So yep, we'll see you when we come back for this.